Hey, what's going on, guys? Elery is back to bringing you another video. Today we are in the city of Porter Ranch and we are installing 16 modules on a second-story roof. The material is flat tile, and without further ado, let's do this. Alrighty, hope you guys are having a great day. It is Thanksgiving week, Monday, and I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving week. I know that the kids are out, everyone's on holiday, or most people are, and I just want to wish everybody a safe Thanksgiving week. So we're looking at the residential Silfab 60 cell black modules. The manufacturer is Silfab, and these are made in Canada. Just gonna look at the back. It's upside down, but you can see that here at the bottom it says it's made in Canada, and it says here on the top, it says my passion inside since 1981, my name outside today, by Franco Traverso. And this is Silfab 320 monocrystalline cells. I favor these modules for today's market. When we have a new client, I like to talk about Silfab, and the reason being is they are a tier 1 manufacturer and they have a 25-year product warranty and also a 35-year linear performance warranty. And what that tells you is most manufacturers, I'd say about 90%, only give you a product warranty from 10 to 12 years. Well, Silfab, the product or bumper to bumper warranty is for 25 years. The linear performance is also one of the best in the market because they give you a 35-year linear performance warranty. Also, Silfab has been manufacturing modules and they've been in business for 35 years, which says a lot about the company. Oh. And it is an all black module. You don't see that white back sheet, so looking at it from far away, it looks very aesthetic. Oh, okay. So let's take a look at the inverter side. The inverter is always going to be placed next to the main service panel. Oh, and Sergey's right here. Say hey, Sergey. What's going on, man? Okay, so, yeah, Sergey's very short for words because he's no nonsense and he's very serious. And this is his work. He has penetrated on that roof. So this is the conduit. It's an EMT conduit. Right now, you can see that it's painted to match the stucco color. We do like to do this in an HOA community, but the original color is silver. And the conduit leads up to the array, to the junction box. And you can see that this conduit is headed to the inverter. And the inverter's purpose is to convert DC to AC. And let's talk about the Solar Edge HD wave inverter. So this is a central inverter that's connected to power optimizers that are beneath the solar modules. And those modules are going to be intelligent because of those power optimizers. And this HD wave inverter has the efficiency of 99%, and they can give you the ability to track the production at the panel level. And Solar Edge is one of the leading inverters in today's solar market. And the inverter is connected to the AC disconnect. And the AC disconnect's purpose, and there's a lever here, and this is what the firemen use to, in case of a fire, they have the ability to shut off the solar system with the AC disconnect without going into the main breaker. So there's 3 ways on how to disable your solar system. One is with the breaker or the main breaker of the main service panel. The second is the AC disconnect, and the third way is to turn off the switch of the inverter. So we already have, oh wow, we already have the decals. So these red stickers is what the city likes to see. It says solar circuit caution, and that is required by the city of Los Angeles. And here's the inverter side. So we are going to be installing a solar breaker, which is on the opposite side of where the main breaker is. Sorry, it's going to be on this side. There's a solar breaker. Oh, perfect. Okay, so this interestingly enough is ready. Thank you, Sergey. We've got our time-lapse camera, so you'll see Sergey work like Speedy Gonzalez. Once this project is done, we'll upload that video. And let's walk over to the west side. Right here in the west is my staging area. Now I'm gonna just sit down, and here is the location of the array. It's all facing west, and on the staging area I do try to keep it next to a shaded area, so it could be anywhere around where the modules are going to be installed, so I could just see the progress of the job. That's quite simple. It's my backpack. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black's case, Mavic Pro's case, and here's the Mavic Pro drone. I'll do a follow-up video on the capabilities of the Mavic Pro, but we'll do that next time. But just to show you guys what the drone looks like. And here is a second channel for the time-lapse video. And I've got it set to the ground level where we could see the array. I had it earlier on the 10 o'clock position, but due to the strong winds, and I just put it to the ground level, and I still have one on the 3 o'clock position. And here's the array. Take a look. This project being on a second-story tile roof, I don't encourage myself to walk up on the tile because these tiles could be powdery and we could easily slip. And we can see. Here. Go ahead. It's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. We're just recording. We're not on live, YouTube Live or Facebook Live or anything. Here's Andre, and there's Jen back up there. So there's a reason why we have a drone, is so I don't have to go up here on the roof. So these footings and flashings are penetrating the rafter, and the rafters are the beams that are on the roof itself. And this ensures it's beneath the tile, and so there we go. Okay, just gonna walk back down real quick so we're not interrupting. Let's go back here. Got so water is going to come from the ridge, and it flows down from the ridge. And if the footings are penetrating the rafters right beneath the tile, unless water defies the laws of physics, water won't penetrate the roof. So that's going to be a short video for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and as soon as this project is complete. I'll be posting up the drone footage and the time-lapse video. And I want to wish everybody again a happy Thanksgiving week. This is Elery with Porter Ranch Solar. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Peace.